Good afternoon, students. Your topic is same topic, rational number. Again, I will discuss, and the last 2 or 3 questions of your exercise 3.3 जो है उसके आपके क्वेश्चंस रह गए थे exercise 3.3 and I am taking those questions. Your question number 11th is find the value. Note down this question in your notebook also. Find the value of your first part is 13 upon 21 divided by 39 upon 42 bracket close into minus 3 upon 5. Between two brackets there is given the sign of multiply. So first you will solve this bracket, and in this bracket you have given the sign divide. And yesterday I told you about when you change the divide into multiply, when you convert the divide sign into multiply, then you have to take the reciprocal of the number after the division sign. So 39 upon 42, the reciprocal of 39 upon 42, that is equal to 42 upon 39. Okay. Change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Dono both will be changed. And now you will cancel these numbers. 21 1 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42, and you have to reduce it into the lowest term. Now minus 3 upon 5 is given in your next bracket. Now by solving this bracket you will get 1 2 ja 2. When you multiply 1 with 2 you will get 2 here, and when you multiply 1 with 3 here you will get 3. 2 upon 3 multiply minus 3 upon 5. When you multiply these two numbers and these are also cancelled, 3 1 ja 3, and here minus sign is given, so you will put here minus 1. And when you multiply 2 with minus 1, you will get 2 1 ja 2 and upon 5. And minus sign also you have to put here. So the answer of this question is minus 2 upon 5. Note down this question. Then we will take your next part of the 11th question. Now the next part of 11th question. The second part, minus 5 is to 5 upon 21. Minus 5 is to 5 upon 21. Bracket close, and the sign is given here divide, and in the second bracket it is given 7 upon 11 multiply 5 upon 12. First you write down the statement in your notebook also. Okay, then how we will solve this question now? First you have to given in this bracket the mixed fraction is given. Now you change it into the improper fraction. How you change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction? 5 minus 5 is to 5 upon 21 is given. When you multiply 21 into 5, you will get 105. Then you have to add 5 also here. When you add 5 also, you will get 110. So how you will write 110 upon 21? Again, I am telling you, 21 multiply by 5, you will get 21 5 105. And then you have to add 5 here, 105 added to 5, then it is equal to 110. So minus 110 upon 21 divided by. Now you have to solve this bracket. and no one is convert into the reduced form. So you multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 7 5 ja 35, and if you multiply 11 with 12, 12 को 11 से multiply करो, you will get here 132. Okay. Now here the divide sign is given. So first you have to convert the divide sign into the multiply sign, and this sign change into the multiply sign. And when we are converting the divide into the multiply, I'm writing here because there is some reflection. So minus 110 upon 21. You have to convert divide into the multiply sign. I convert the divide into multiply, and you have to take the reciprocal of 35 upon 132. When you take the reciprocal of 35 upon 132, it is equal to 32 upon 35. Now the number which are cancelled, you have to cancel this number and then you get the answer. 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10. These are cancelled. Now which number is cancelled here? 3 7 ja 21, 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Same number you have to deduct it. You have to divide it. Now no one is cancelled here, so you multiply 44 into 22. You will get 968, 968, and when you multiply 7 with 7, you will get here 7 7 ja 49. Now you have to convert 968 upon 49 ko, you have to convert it into the which number you have to convert it? You have to convert it into the mixed fraction. First you will check 49 2 ja 98. So 49 1 ja 49 चलेगा, and 16 में से 9 चला गया, subtract किया 7, and 8 में से 4 subtract किया 4, and now you will carry 8 here. When you multiply 49 with 9, then 441, 441. So it में से 1 subtract किया 7, and now 37 is left. So you can write down your answer. Minus sign is also here. You will put minus 19 is to 37 is the remainder, and your quotient is, your divisor is 49. So how you will divide minus 968, minus 968 upon 49 को आप कैसे divide करोगे? Because minus sign is also given in the question, so you have to put the minus sign also here. And now you have to divide 968 by 49. Your answer will be written in the form of mixed fraction minus 19 is to 37 upon 49. Now note down this question, and we will take your 12th question now. This is the rough work I have done. So note down this question. The last question of this exercise is question number 12, and it is written in the question that find the reciprocal. You have to find the reciprocal. Find the reciprocal of the following. And I already told you about the reciprocal. Reciprocal means your numerator become the denominator and denominator become the numerator. Now the question is given, first part, 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. you have to take the reciprocal of this number, because first you have to simplify the full question, then the answer then came, and you have to take the reciprocal of that answer. And so first you convert divide into the multiply and take the reciprocal of this number. It is equal to 65 upon minus 4. Now 13 1 ja 13, 13 5 ja 65. Now when you multiply 3 with 5, you will get 3 5 ja 15, and 1 को multiply किया minus 4 से, it is equal to minus 4. Now the question is, in denominator is given in minus 4. So you have to convert it into the, while converting it into the standard form, you have to multiply minus 1 with 1 the numerator and minus 1 with the denominator. So your question is minus 15 upon 4. Answer is minus 15 upon 4. Now you have to take the reciprocal of 4 upon minus 15. So reciprocal of minus 15 upon 4, that is equal to 4 upon minus 15, and again you have to convert the minus sign into the to become it numerator minus. You will write like this, and directly you can write it, and by multiplying it minus 1 into minus 1. Sorry. Now the last part of the question is second part of 12th question, that is minus 5 into 12 upon 15 minus 3 into 2 upon 9. How you will convert this question into the reciprocal? When the solution is done, then you have to take the reciprocal. First you will solve this, because here the denominator is not given, so I put here 1. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. And 12 and 3 is also cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. So minus 1, when multiply with the 4, your answer is minus 4. Okay. And by solving this, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. And now when minus 1 is multiplied with 2, it becomes minus 2 upon 3. Now here again the denominator is not given, and the sign here it is given, minus sign is here. यहाँ पर कौन सा sign है? Minus sign is here. So you have to take the LCM, because in the addition and subtraction the rule is you have to take the LCM of the numbers. LCM of denominator. LCM of 1 and 3, that is equal to 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. Okay. Sorry. When you divide 3 by 1, you will get 3. And when you multiply minus 4 with 3, you will get minus 12. And when you divide 3 by 3, it is equal to 1. And when you multiply minus 2 with 1, you will get minus 2. Now it is equal to minus 12, and it is equal to minus 2 upon 3. When you multiply minus with minus, you will get plus 2 upon 3. So the answer of this question is, when you subtract 2 from 12, it is equal to 10 upon 3, and the sign you will put here minus 10 upon 3. How you will write the answer now? You have to write the answer in, find the reciprocal you have to find. So reciprocal of reciprocal of minus 10 upon 3, that is equal to 3 upon minus 10. This is the answer. और अगर आपको minus ऊपर लिखना है तो you can write like this way, minus 3 upon 10. So this is the answer of this question. How you will change minus ऊपर ले जाने का method मैंने आपको already बता चुकी हूँ कि -1 से और -1 से same number से you have to multiply with the numerator and the denominator, and you will change the denominator into the positive number. When you have to change the denominator into the positive number, you have to use this method and your denominator become the positive form. So this exercise is now complete. 3.3 exercise is now complete. And now I am taking some more question of your multiple choice question from your multiple choice question. See on your page number 80. I will take some question from that exercise, page number 80. Page number 80, there are some questions related to the multiple choice questions. And question number 3 से start हो रहा है. The rational number. The question is written in this form. The rational number 110 upon minus 132 when reduced to standard form. When reduced to standard form, then how it is written? Your option is given standard form. Your option is given 10 upon minus 12. And B option is given 5 upon minus 6. And C option is given minus 5 upon 6. And D option is given 110 upon minus 132. Now, which option you will opt here? You have to solve this number 110 upon minus 132. By which number it is divided? First, you have to divide it by 11. Both the number are divisible by 11. Same number you have to divide the numerator and the denominator. When you divide 110 by 11, you will get here 10. And when you divide 132 by 11, you will get here 12, minus 12. Okay. And again, it is divisible by 2. So 2 5 are 10 and 2 6 are 12. This is the answer, but you have to show it in the standard form also. When the denominator is given in the negative form, this denominator is given in the negative form, then you have to convert it into the positive denominator by how you use 1 with the numerator and minus 1 with the denominator. So your answer become minus minus plus. So the answer is minus 5 upon 6. So which option it is correct? It is correct. The C option of this question is correct. But some of the students write it 5 upon minus 6. This is not correct because in this question, two things are asked. One is reduced form, when reduced to standard form. First, you have to convert it into the reduced form. Then you have to convert it into the standard form also. And when the denominator is given in the negative form, to change it into the positive, when we have to write down the answer in the standard form, then your denominator always in the positive form. So to become it positive, you have to apply this rule. Multiply minus 1 with the numerator and minus 1 with the denominator. Okay. Now, next question I am taking now. Your next question is the additive inverse. The additive inverse of -7/12. -7/12 का एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? योर ऑप्शन इज गिवन 12/-7, B is given -7/12, and C is given -5/12, and D is given +7/12. So when you have to find the additive inverse, the meaning of additive inverse is you have to change the sign. When minus is given, you have to convert it plus, and when the plus sign is given, you have to change it into the minus. Because additive inverse, when अगर for example -7/12 का additive inverse plus होता है, +7/12. When you cancel these number, their sum is equal to 0. So the option of -7/12 का additive inverse, that is equal to 7/12, because minus change into the plus and plus change into the negative. Because by adding these two numbers, their sum is equal to 0. So option D is correct in this question. Okay. Now I am taking the next question. How you will find the multiplicative inverse? The multiplicative inverse, there is the difference between the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of -4/9 is, your option is given, A option is given 4/9, B option is given -9/4, and C option is given 9/4, and D option is given none of these. How you will solve this question? The meaning of multiplicative inverse is you have to take the reciprocal, and when you multiply these numbers, when you take the reciprocal of -4/9, it is equal to 9/-4. Or when you multiply, when you take the reduced form of these number, their multiplicative inverse, इन दोनों को multiply करने के बाद their product is always equal to 1. जैसे additive inverse में जब आप जिसका additive inverse लेते हो, when you are adding those number, their sum is equal to 0. ऐसे ही multiplicative inverse जिस चीज का, जिस rational number का लिया जाता है, उनको multiply करके देखना, their product is always equal to 1, because 1 is the multiplicative identity. So multiplicative inverse of -4/9, that is equal to 9/-4, because when minus came into the numerator, so the answer of this question is -9/4. So the multiplicative inverse, -4/9 का multiplicative inverse क्या होगा? -9/4. क्योंकि अगर आपका डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव में दिया होता है, तो हाउ इट बिकम द पॉजिटिव? By multiplying it -1 with the numerator and -1 with the denominator, you will get the answer -9/4. This is the answer of this question. So to solve this question, you can write down the answer. Not solving the question, you cannot write the ABCD option. You have to first solve the question, then you will write down the answers. One more question I'm taking, and then I will take your doubts of this exercise. Seventh question is given. अभी मैंने दोनों क्वेश्चन आपके डिस्कस किए हैं. The product of rational number is -2/5. The product of rational number, the product of rational number -2/5, then its multiplicative inverse, if you have to find, then it's multiplicative inverse. If you have to find, in the last question I already discussed, then its multiplicative inverse is 1, because when we are taking when any rational number is given and you have to find the reciprocal of this number, and it is equal to 5 upon minus 2, and by cancelling these number, the reciprocal multiplicative inverse is equal to 1, because product is already given in the question. Now how you will find the multiplicative inverse? Its multiplicative inverse is 1. So in this question, option 1 is correct. Okay. Now one addition and one multiply question I am taking now. Minus 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 15 is equal to, there are so many, 4 options are there. First option is minus 11 upon 5, and the second option is minus 1 upon 15, and the third option is minus 7 upon 15, and the last option in this question is 7 upon 15. How you will solve this question and find the answer? First, you have to take the LCM of 5 and 15, because 15 is divisible by 5. So 15 is the LCM in this question, and you have to divide divide 15 by the denominator. So 15 divided by 5, it is equal to 3. When you multiply minus 3 with 3, you will get minus 9 here, and minus you will put here, and 15 is divided by 15, you will get 1 here, and minus 2 is multiplied by the 1. You will get here minus 2. So here 15 is given. So minus 9, minus multiplied by minus, you will get plus 2 upon 15. Now how you will write the answer here? Subtract 2 from 9, the answer is 7. But put the sign negative here, because with the larger number minus sign is given. So minus 7 upon 15. यहाँ पर आपका in the bracket minus 2 is given. Okay, minus 2 sign. Okay, so how you will represent this question? Which is the correct option in this question? Your option C is correct in this question. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt regarding this question, then you can ask. One more question I will take. Multiply, find the product. Minus 5 is to 1 upon 3 into minus 1 is to 7 upon 8. Minus sign is given here. Okay. How you will solve this question and how you will find the answer? You have given the option. 4 options are given in the question. Option A is 10. Option 5 is to 7 upon 24. And option D is minus 5 is to 7 upon 24. How you will solve this question? Because multiply sign is given here. So first change the mixed fraction into the 1. It is equal to 16 upon 3. And multiply 8 1 ja 8. 8 में 7 plus किया, it is equal to 15 upon 8. Now, while multiply and division, you cannot take the LCM. Only you have to simplify the question by doing the reduced form, by converting it into the reduced form. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, and minus sign is given here. So I will put here minus 5, and 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. I will put here minus 2 also. And when you multiply minus 2 with minus 5, you will get the answer. Minus multiply by minus, you will get here plus, and 2 5 ja 10. Which option is correct here? Your option A is correct here. Okay. Now student, if you have